There's a lot of changes happening around the industry today due to the fact that, you know, there's a lot of tuners now or a lot of tune shops out there that don't do customised tuning. They do a lot of generic maps. They don't even have a dyno, but they become a part of a brand like APR, which, you know, we've jumped on board with them too because they do a lot of products for the VAG group, Audi, etc. You know, there's integrated engineering that we've jumped on board with as well. Obviously, we've invested a bit more money in software to tune Euro cars. We do a lot of Mercedes work here too, the twin turbo Merc, you know, the C63 stuff, you know, all the A45s. We get a fair few of those through here. You know, years ago, when we used to do performance work, it was for people that had the knowledge and experience. Now, with the technology of YouTube, social media, a lot more people can do what we do, and the young guys today, they're really technically minded. So for them to get onto a laptop is not like when we first started tuning a laptop. I felt like a rocket scientist, you know? Now, a young guy, it's everyday practice for him to get on a laptop and do the job. And, you know, they may not have the experience that we have in knowledge of combinations of engines, turbochargers, etc., and what to do to make big power, but they get there with a bit of work. So the industry, there's more people doing what we do now than what there was 15, 20 years ago. It's slowly diversifying. So there's a lot more performance shops now that do upgrades. And some people don't even need to tune the car, they just do generic maps. We've been around for 28 years. We do have a lot of experienced tradesmen. What makes my workshop probably more special to me, I don't know if it's special to everyone out there, the fact that I've had all my staff here for so long. We've become a family. I love what I do. My staff have been absolutely amazing over the last 28 years and hopefully another 28 years to go. So I think what makes us special internally, not externally to the common person, is the family orientation that we have in this business, you know. I don't like changing staff. I like to keep my staff. Just like a marriage, we all have our issues, our problems. Things go wrong, things go right. We have fun, we have sad times. But I think that's all part of, you know, having a good base workshop. So what makes Autotech special is that I truly believe that we do care and my staff are well aware of what I require and the fact that we've become like a family over the last 28 years.